In this video, you'll learn how to fix Copilot not working in Windows 10 or 11. If Copilot has suddenly disappeared, stopped opening, or just isn't responding the way it should, don't worry. We're going to go through a couple of simple checks and fixes that usually get things back to normal quickly. Follow along on your own computer as we go. Let's start with reinstalling Copilot from the Microsoft Store. This is a good first step because it makes sure you have the latest version and that any corrupted files are replaced automatically. On your Windows device, open the Microsoft Store. You can do this by clicking the Start button and looking for the Store icon, or by typing Microsoft Store into the search bar next to the Start menu and selecting it from the results. Once the store is open, look for the search box, usually at the top of the window. In that search box, type Microsoft Copilot and press Enter. You should see the Microsoft Copilot app appear in the list of results. Click on it to open the apps page in the store. If you see a button that says Install or Get, go ahead and click that to install Copilot. If instead you see a button that says Uninstall or a small menu with more options, you may want to uninstall first, then reinstall to ensure a clean setup. If you're prompted to confirm or sign in with your Microsoft account, follow the on-screen instructions, allow the installation to complete. This may take a minute or two depending on your connection. When the process finishes, you'll see an open button. You can click that to quickly test whether Copilot launches from the store, or you can close the store and move to the next step. Now, let's make sure Copilot is actually enabled on your taskbar. Sometimes the app is installed and working, but the shortcut on the taskbar is turned off, which makes it seem like Copilot is missing. Move your cursor down to an empty area on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Right-click on the taskbar, and from the menu that appears, select Taskbar Settings. This will open the taskbar customization page in the Settings app. Scroll through the options until you find the section that mentions Copilot. You should see a toggle switch labeled Copilot. Check that this toggle is turned on. If it's off, click it once to turn it on. The switch should change color or position to show that it's now enabled. After enabling it, look back at your taskbar and give it a moment. The Copilot icon should appear, usually near the system icons on the right or along the main row of taskbar apps. Click the Copilot icon to confirm that it opens and responds correctly. If you've reinstalled Copilot from the Microsoft Store and made sure the taskbar toggle is turned on, Copilot should now be working again on your Windows 10 or 11 device.